I was going to do one long video, but I think actually it'd be better if I do short ones explaining each of the different elements of the algebra needed for the 11 plus. So the first one I'm going to explain is substitution. So that literally means swapping a number for a value. So you might be given, say, A equals 2, B equals 5, C equals 10. Okay. And then you might have a question like 5a, or work out the value of 5a. So here what you would do, that literally means 5 times a, sorry, 5 times 2. If there's nothing written in the gap there, whoops, it just means times it. Okay, so 5 times 2 would be 10. Okay, happy so far. A different example might give us, let's go a plus b. So that means a equals 2, b equals 5. Our answer would be 10. No, it wouldn't. Be 7. Okay. We might have something like c minus b. So this time we've got 10 take away 5 equals 5. Okay. Hopefully this is all making sense. You might get something slightly more difficult. For example, you might get 2b plus c minus a. Okay, so 2b is 2 times b plus c minus a. So 2 times b would be 2 times 5, which is 10, plus another 10, take away 2. So that would give us 20 take 2, which would give us 18. Okay, let's go. Let's do some division. They might give you something like c divided by a plus b. Okay, if it's written out like this, you'd do the c divided by a first. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5. And then plus b, so 5 plus b equals 10. Okay, so now I've got c plus b, so 10 plus 5 divided by 2, which gives me 15 divided by 2, which equals 7.5. So it's literally just a case of swapping the letter that they've given you for the number. Okay, hope that all makes sense. Any questions about this or any of the resources, please do ask.